Good morning, children. Now we have come to the textbook evaluation. First, we will start choose the correct answer. The first question: tobacco consumption is known to stimulate secretion of adrenaline. The component causing this could be nicotine. So, nicotine is the right option. Second one: World No Tobacco Day is observed on May 31st. Third one: cancer cells are more easily damaged by radiations than normal cells because they are undergoing rapid division. Undergoing rapid division. That is the right answer. Now, next one: which type of cancer affects lymph nodes and spleen, which is called leukemia? Next one: excessive consumption of alcohol leads to, second option, liver cirrhosis. Liver cirrhosis. Now the sixth one: the coronary heart disease is due to insufficient blood supply to heart muscles. The seventh one: cancer of the epithelial cell is called carcinoma. Eighth one: metastasis is associated with malignant tumor. Polyphagia is a condition already we have discussed, seen in diabetes mellitus. 10th one: where does alcohol affect immediately after drinking? That is the central nervous system. Central nervous system. Now next come to the state true or false. First one, it is true. Second one, also true. Already we know the study of cancer or cancer causing genes are called oncogenes. Now next, third one, obesity is characterized by tumor formation. This is false, and you have to write the right answer, which is called by the accumulation of of fat under the skin. Fourth one, in leukemia, both WBCs and RBCs increase in number. This is also false. Only WBC. You have to strike out and RBCs. Fifth one, study of cause of disease is called etiology. It is true. AIDS is not transmitted by contact with the patient's clothes. That is also true. Type 2 diabetes mellitus results due to insulin deficiency. This is false. Where is the false? Due to insulin deficiency. Underline that one. Due to the action of insulin on cells. Action, you have to write that one. Due to the action of insulin on cells. Eighth one, carcinogens are cancer causing agents. That is true. Nicotine is a narcotic drug. It is false. And cirrhosis is associated with brain disorder. It is false. You have to write associated with liver. Associated with liver. Now next one, third one, expand the following abbreviations. That one you have to write. First one is IDDM. Go to the book and you have to write insulin dependent. Full form you have to write insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. So first I for insulin, first D for dependent, another D for diabetes, M for mellitus. Next one, number 2, HIV. So number 1, number 2, HIV. What is the full form of HIV? The H for human, I for immunodeficiency, V for virus. Third one, it is called BMI. BMI is nothing but B for body, M for mass, I for index, body mass index. Fourth one, it is called AIDS. A for acquired, I for immune, D for deficiency, C for syndrome, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Fifth one, CHD. Fifth one, CHD. C for coronary, H for heart, and D for disease. So coronary heart disease. And the sixth one, NIDDM. It's nothing but IDDM you have written, and here N for non, another first I for non-insulin, DDM means dependent diabetes mellitus. So these are the abbreviations of these 6 words. Now next, match the following. Already I have done that one, you should match that one. Sarcoma, it is also called connective tissue cancer, cancer of the connective tissue. Next one is called carcinoma, stomach cancer, polydipsia, excessive thirst, polyphagia, excessive hunger, myocardial infarction, lack of blood flow to heart muscle. Now next, fill in the blanks. First one is called alcohol. First fill up is alcohol. Second fill up is nicotine. Third fill up is called leukemia. Fourth one, addiction. Fifth one, type 2. After that, sixth Roman letter, communicable disease, AIDS, and non-communicable disease, obesity, diabetes. Number 2, chemotherapy is related to chemicals. So radiation therapy related to radiations. Next, hypertension, it is related to hypercholesterolemia, glycosuria, increased glucose level in urine. The word to be written properly, in urine. Now next you come to the next part, that is answer in one sentence. What are psychotropic drugs? Come to the page number 303. 303. Here the answer is, till here you have to memorize. Number 2 question. Mention the diseases caused by tobacco smoke. The diseases caused by tobacco smoke: bronchitis, I have written here, bronchitis and emphysema. Now next, what are the contributing factors for obesity? Come to the page number 308. Contributing factors for obesity. Page number 308 on top. I have marked also. Obesity is due to, start from there till endocrine factors. Next question, that is, what is adult onset diabetes? Come to the page number 306. 306. This is also called adult onset diabetes type 2 and accounting for 80 to 90% of the diabetes population. It develops slowly, usually milder and more stable. Insulin production by the pancreas is normal, but its action is impaired. Now strike out this. Instead of this, you have to write type 2. Type 2. Till there you have to write. Now next one, what is metastasis? Come to the page number cancer. You have to come cancer metastasis, page number 309. Cancerous cells migrate to the distant parts of the body and affect new tissues. This process is called the metastasis. So this is the question number 75. 75. And the last one, insulin. How does insulin deficiency occurs? Insulin deficiency, come to the page number 306, the cause. This one you have to write. Okay, thank you children.